Hyundai's long-haul design is to present 18 generation half and half electric or power module vehicles worldwide by 2025. In the United States, the brand as of now offers half and half forms of the Ioniq and Sonata, in addition to the Ioniq Electric, and has plans for an Ioniq module mixture and additionally an electric variant of its up-and-coming Kona subcompact hybrid. With the NEXO, the brand will have its initially committed energy unit stage. At 183.9 inches in length, 73.2 inches wide, and 64.2 inches high, the NEXO is 10.3 inches longer, 1.5 inches more extensive, and 1.0 inch lower than the Tucson fuel cell. Its wheelbase is 5.9 inches longer too. The battery pack in the NEXO is situated in the storage compartment instead of the floor, where it sits in the Tucson. The NEXO's power device stack is littler than the Tucson's. However, the general bundle gives more aggregate vitality, a 95 kilowatt energy unit combined with a 40 kilowatts battery pack versus a 100 kilowatt energy unit and a 24 kilowatts battery pack. The NEXO is useful for an expected 370 miles of range, a critical change over the Tucson's 265 miles. Once the hydrogen tanks are vacant, the NEXO can be refueled in 5 minutes, as indicated by Hyundai. The issue of finding a hydrogen station remains, be that as it may, as the supporting foundation is extremely constrained. The energy unit and battery pack cooperates to nourish a 161 HP electric engine that produces 291 lb-ft of torque, up 27 strength and 70 lb-ft contrasted in the Tucson. No one is touting power module vehicles as speed machines, the NEXO included, despite the fact that its asserted 9.5 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour time cleaves 3 seconds off the Tucson's figure. Hyundai called attention to that the new powertrain is littler and lighter and that the majority of the moving parts are situated in the motor straights to diminish commotion in the lodge. The parts likewise have been supported to deal with temperatures as cool as 20 degrees underneath zero and as hot as 120 degrees Fahrenheit.